The X printer XP-V320L is a thermal receipt printer that supports the 80 by 80 millimeters of thermal receipt roll. It has both USB and LAN ports. In the box you've got the AC power supply, the printer itself, a USB A to B male cable, a booklet that contains documentation on how to use and look after the printer, and a CD that has all the relevant drivers. Looking at the ports at the back of the printer, the far left hand corner you've got the power input port, and in the middle you've got the RJ11 cash drawer port, a USB port, and a RJ45 LAN port. Now, to power up the printer, simply connect the power supply adapter's flat end of the connector facing downwards to the back of the printer. If you wish to open the cash drawer directly from the printer, it's got a port. To connect the printer to a POS via USB, connect one end of the cable to the printer and the other end to the POS. If you wish to network the printer, connect a LAN cable from the printer to a switch, a modem, or a router.